Earning $2.9 million in a year may sound impossible, but I'm here to break it down for you. Let's dive into my exact plan for affiliate marketing success. I started with minimal investment, using free resources. I created a WordPress blog and joined platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. I chose products with high commissions and proven demand, like SaaS subscriptions and financial products, ensuring they solved my audience's problems. My content strategy included product reviews, how-to guides, and success stories to drive organic traffic and build audience trust. I generated traffic through SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and guest posts, focusing on building a community around my content. To scale my earnings, I reinvested profits, expanded my niche, optimized conversions, and diversified my traffic sources efficiently. I faced challenges like content fatigue and traffic dips. Outsourcing content and diversifying traffic helped me overcome these obstacles. Key tools for scaling included SEMrush for SEO, ConvertKit for email marketing, Canva for graphics, Google Analytics for tracking, and ClickFunnels for landing pages. My best advice? Focus on providing value, testing strategies, and adapting to your audience's needs for lasting success.